You want this story or a different story? What kind of story do you want? Okay, more story about what? Papa or Mama? Mama when I was a kid. Okay. Mama. Okay, here's my story. And Papa, first I'll tell one about me. When I was a kid, I went to my friend Jenna's house. And we were playing Barbies. And we got her snakes out. And the snakes crawled up inside of Ken Barbie's leg. And we couldn't get the snakes out. So we had to pop his leg off. And get the snakes out. And then from then on, Ken was an amputee in the war. Oh, wait. I should tell you also about the time that I set Aaron Price's backyard on fire. We were trying to burn things into wood, and then I saw an ant, and I thought it'd be a really good idea to burn that ant. And then her whole backyard caught on fire, and her dad came out to spray the water, and then her mom was saying things in Chinese that I couldn't understand. And she said she was saying bad words at me, and then I was never allowed to go back to their house to burn things in their backyard again. That's how I remember it. A story about Papa?
Human.
A human story? Human. Okay. Do you want more stories?
Papa.
About Papa?
Papa.
I'm not telling the personal ones because he got mad. Okay, this is a current story. While Papa is sleeping, he kicks me like karate style, and he also whistles in his sleep. No joke. It's craziness.
Frankie.
A story about Frankie? Okay. One time. That story. Okay. I know which one you're thinking about. There's a lot of poop stories, but I think it's this one. One time, I left you in that room in your crib sleeping, and Papa was on the bed with Frankie, and they were watching cartoons, and I said, don't fall asleep because you're watching Frankie while me and Maya go to the store. And when I came home, the dogs were outside on the back porch, and they would not come in because the whole house smelled like turds. And then I saw it. There were footprints across the carpet, and I followed them. And there was poop on the wall, too. And when I turned the corner, there was Frankie sitting on the toilet. He said, I pooped in the toilet. And I said, no, you didn't! And then that poor boy never pooped in the toilet again. Well, now he does.
Jerry.
Oh, Jerry's not sick. What are you thinking about?
Uncle Doug.
Uncle Doug?
Jerry, Uncle Doug.
A story about Jerry. Okay. How about the time that I accidentally gave Jerry way too much decongestant and she felt really bad? Or how about the time that we took Jerry to visit her parents and then macaroni, we stopped to go to the bathroom at Starbucks, and then macaroni pooped all his poops in my car and peed on my seat, and I had to sit on a diaper. That was gross. Oh, and then the Uncle Doug story. Well, I don't know if this is a story, but it's a prediction. If Uncle Doug comes to your birthday party and we're playing Will It Cornhole, he's going to have to win that game. He's going to have to play Will It Cornhole. He'll have to win that one, and he'll have to win Will It T-Ball. Will It Hat. I don't think he'll care about that one. It's not as competitive. Maya will win all the Will It Hats. Because her head is flat. like a princess with books on her head because she has a flat head.
Sega.
A story about Sega? Yeah. She had to have surgery. Remember that? That was sad. How about the story about today when we came home and the treat cabinet was open? They ate all the... they didn't eat the treats. They weren't smart enough to get the bags open. But they were trying. They were trying to get the treats. They were trying. Any more thoughts?
Granddad.
Granddad was lasagna. Okay. One time I made vegetable lasagna, and Granddad liked it so much that he ate the other half of the pan, and then he threw up in the kitchen sink. Because that's the sign that the tank is full. That's right.
Granddad.
If you're throwing up, your tank is really full.
Maya.
The story about Maya. How about the time that Maya thought that she could taste shiny and she swallowed a quarter? Or the time that she tried to suck a pin out of a lantern and sucked it into her tummy? Or... There's one besides that.
Mimi.
A story. Mimi is scared of midgets. Especially if they're behind the wood. She's concerned. Also, it's a pretty common thing in the Arthur household to forget you put bread in the oven and burn it. Yeah. Burn the bread. Lena, she came here and we had a birthday party, you remember?
Beckham.
A story about Beckham. Well, I don't know if I know too many funny stories about him, but we'll have to ask Aunt Megan because I'm sure that she would know funny stories about him. But, I don't know if there's very many funny stories about him. Frankie.
Spooky.
I remember Spooky was a cute little puppy. He was really cute. He liked to play with Sega. Do you remember? Papa? Zoey, I think I really hurt my voice when I was doing Billy Goat's Gruff. It feels really, really, sounds raspy. Papa? Okay, one time when Papa was like maybe 23, he decided he could jump off the roof. Yeah. And he broke his ankle. Yeah, that wasn't smart. Yep.
Uncle B.
Uncle B rode bulls. Yep. And he got bucked off a bull and he hurt his knee. So then he learned to play the guitar and he was in an awesome band for a while. And then he came back here. And then he was Maya's babysitter for a while. Until he did his own thing. He was nice to help us. Papa? Pops. Okay. So before Maya was born, Pops decided to make her a crib. And while he was making it, he cut his finger off. Then he took a shower. And after he got all cleaned up, he went and got his fingers sewn back on at the emergency room. But he took a shower first. That's crazy.
Ginois.
One time when Grandma went skiing, she fell and broke her nose. Yeah. That was funny.
River.
River?
Breakfast.
River's breakfast?
River breakfast.
I don't know what he had for breakfast. Maybe yogurt. Maybe waffles. Maybe a Lunchable. Probably not. River likes food. He doesn't like Lunchables. Well, I bet he likes Lunchables.
Mrs. Ruth.
Mrs. Ruth. Mrs. Ruth made you that pretty Paris dress with the Eiffel Towers on it. Do you miss her? Yeah? You guys used to find couch treasure. You used to look under the couch to find, it was floor treasure under the couch. Like Genshin Impact? You have to be strong to find floor treasure. Oh, there's treasure on yeah, there's treasure. In that game, you can get treasure. God, be so strong.
Papa.
Papa plays too many video games. And he's the reason why there were so many cups and bowls upstairs. And also Frankie. They think that eating upstairs is cool. I think it's messy.
Tricycle.
You do have a tricycle. You have a giant tricycle. Your bike is a tricycle. Has 3 wheels. Tri means 3. Tricycle, like circle wheels.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle, watch me go. Fast and slow.
Motorcycle.
Watch me go. Watch me go. Yeah. Yeah, my voice is really painful. That Billy Goat's Gruff book is hard to read. That is on signing time. My voice sounds bad? Thanks. So honest.
Motorcycle.
Can you do 2 words at a time when you're talking to me? Do you like motorcycles? More music? Oh, you want me to sing it? Pick a different song.
Popular.
A popular song. Pick a different song. Can we pick a different song? Yeah, my voice is so tired. I think I strained my vocal cords. Maya does that too. When she screams too loud. Save your voice, Maya. No screaming.
Alarm clock.
I have an alarm clock. It's set for 5 a.m. That's what time you need medicine. Every single day. It's worth it, Zoey. I don't mind.
Clothing. Bib.
A bib?
Underwear.
Oh, what do you want to talk
Bib
about?
underwear. Video game.
A video game with underwear? That's really weird. Do you want to talk about how the fact that I only get underwear without cartoons on it? It's so not fair. I want underwear with a cartoon character. My underwear's just pink today. You have Doc McStuffins, and I just have pink. I'm so sad.
Bra.
And my bras are old and yucky. And I don't want to buy new ones because I don't like the new bras. My underwear is uncomfortable. It's horrible. And sometimes they stink and I have to boil them on the stove. Especially my sweaty sports bras. Gotta make sports bra soup. And it doesn't even taste good.
Shoe.
My shoes? Maya hates my shoes. She said they're too gray. They're monotone, I said. But not the bottoms. The bottoms are not monotone.
Underwear.
Not again. Don't keep it running.
Underwear.
My underwear is so plain. It's in your future. Because you're about to move up to the next size where the underwear is boring. We'll both be crying. We'll hold each other and cry. Poor underwear. Maybe days of the week underwear. What? I need. My underwear life is over.
Pudding.
Pudding. That sounds good. Oh, it says clothing. I thought it said pudding. I was getting hungry.
Story.
A clothing story? Okay. How about the time that I ate too much sugar-free candy? And then I pooped my pants in the car. I had to shove paper towels in my pants because I ate too much sugar-free candy. You should never eat a whole bag of sugar-free candy.
Password.
I cannot tell you my password. I honestly don't even remember it. Excuse me.
Wish.
You want to do wishes? Maya said when she's done playing with her friends, she would play Genshin Impact with you. Yeah. Excuse me. That sun butter and jelly really, I mean, I didn't have jelly, but sun butter. Yeah, that's what I'm burping. Sun butter. It feels like I shouldn't have eaten that. Oh, you found it. Is there a thorn on there? Where? There's a tree. I think there actually might be a thorn. Let's look. Daisy, rose, tulip, petal, stem, seeds. Oh my gosh, we have to add thorn. Do you want to add thorn?
Beach.
Let's add thorn. I can add it for you. Yeah, I'm going to stop our video. That's really cool. Should I stop the video?